Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Quincy Moreland. Have you ever wanted to make some money on Vigo Video but didn't know how? You're trying to figure out, how can I make money on Vigo Video? I see people getting thousands of flames, hundreds of flames, even 2,000 flames per video. How can I do it? And then you calculate those flames and you realize they've made a good chunk of money. Well, hey, I'm gonna show you how I made $40 just recording a 15-second clip and how it went viral on Vigo Video. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get this thing going. Gonna go ahead and open up the Vigo Video app. And of course, you know, this is the default screen that it goes to. Right here on the bottom right, we have, what's that, a parrot or a parakeet? I believe it's a parakeet. You know, you'll get to see, you know, some of the things that are featured, and it says for you at the top, nearby. For you is, you know, off the things that you mostly, you know, probably watch. And these are your notifications, and as you see me on the top right with, of course, an effect by Vigo Video eating a sandwich. That's one of the ones that went viral and earned me some money, as well as a couple of other ones you see right there, as well as who's following me. I gained a lot of followers by this one video. I had 230 followers, and this is the video right here. That's a nice stunt right there. That one right there, when he laid back, that was the one that everyone went crazy for. And of course, this one right here, he stood up with no hands. I recorded this 15-second video, and as you see on the bottom, 7,700 hearts, which is likes, and then 2,300 shares. Now, of course, you want to know, you know, where are they sharing this to, you know? And we can click on it, and you see they share it to Instagram, Facebook, even people in Messenger and Twitter. You know, they can copy it and save it, and even as a gift. So people shared this 2,300 times, and they liked it, you know, a lot. And here's some of the comments right here. Ain't that at the Sacramento State Fair? They liked it. Oh, y'all crazy. Wow, that's a lot of guts. Braveheart, crazy. You know, I got a dirt bike. Excellent. Great. You know, I'm showing you these because I saw this at the state fair, and I said, oh, let me go record this, you know. And all it takes is that one video, or that second video. Now, obviously, I tried to like all the comments, and then it says, don't go pushing everything. It tells me to take a break, you know, so it's crazy. I'm just trying to like the comments and show some love, and it's telling me, don't go pushing everything too quickly, take a break. But guys, you know, really what it is you want to be able to capture not just something you like. You can create a video personally of yourself doing some things, but if you're out in public and you see something that you know that is popular and other people like, go ahead and capture it. Now here's another video that kind of, you know, went a little viral. You know, 1,100 likes and of course 1,700 shares. You see where they shared it to. Hashtag Big Mouth. You know, these are challenges, guys. If you want to go, not necessarily viral, because that's not the only focus, but if you want to get a lot of flames on Vigo, you want to make sure you enter all the challenges. Now, some of the comments on this one is, that's just creepy. Fantastic. Nice food. That's good. Yo, this is funny. You know, and they put, it must be, because I put, this is a good sandwich. Ha, 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 ha. You know, laugh emojis with the tears coming out. Look at that, LOL, you know, with the laugh emojis. Now, I want to say I was second place in this contest because they just posted something on their Instagram. If they're going by names, my name was number 2 on the whole list, but I don't know if I was second. I didn't go through all of the names to see who had more flames than I did. I mean, I did, but I didn't go through every single one. Man, I'm telling you guys, right there, invite a creator to earn up to $100. I'm just browsing through the app, but you want to enter in all of the contest. You know, make sure you can be a part of the contest. Use the hashtags. I'm just checking out this one right here where it's 167 likes, 85 shares. You know, be creative. At the very top here, you know, you can scroll left to right, hashtag chef mode, where you can see what people are doing, you know, and it gives you a breakdown. And it gives you a breakdown and shows you that 10 winners will split 20,000 flames. You know, get your apron on and turn on hashtag chef mode. You know, just be creative in the kitchen. You know, your skills, show off your skills, and then just hashtag chef mode. So whether your video gets a lot of flames or not, you know, it's gonna grab some attention, and you will get flames, you will get followers, because you're entering into the challenges. Here you'll see hashtag room tour, my go-to, a lot of different challenges. I did Summer Slay for the one with the motorcycle bike riding, and you'll see mine's right there, you know, on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mine's the 5th one, Crazy Bike Stunts by Quincy Moreland. Here's another one, hashtag Summer Slay, you know, and I just wanted to see what other people got, you know. Summer Slay, that one killed it right there, 22,600 shares. She stepped outside and said, oh, it's too hot. So whether you're doing skits, you know, whether you're just capturing normal things, you know, this guy, 12,300 likes and what's that, 500 and something shares. I mean, dude, they're killing it. You know, they're using their talent, you know, but man, if you're somewhere and you see something happening, you know, and you just want to, you know, capture it, you know, you never know what's gonna be the one. And, you know, your likes and shares does not matter. That does not guarantee you flames. Vigo decides to give you the flames. And, you know, you can do the breakdown on the flames that I got, you know, however many flames, you know, times 0.015, and then that's how I made $40. It comes down to $39 and some change. But definitely, I did the shape of V, as you see right there, that challenge. I did some pots and pans that actually had a V shape. I did the gate around my backyard. And the thing is I was only getting, you know, 5, 10, 15 flames. When I did that motorcycle, you know, stunt at the state fair, I only had 230 something followers, and I only had probably like 50 flames. When I did that one, it just took me through the roof. Now, if you see, I have 4,300 followers. I have 5,200 flames. Now, imagine only having 230 followers, but because of that video and the big mouth, the hashtag big mouth, I have, you know, 4,000 followers. That's another one that I did. You'd have to watch that one. But I mean, you know, you put a lot of stuff on here and you can see, you know, some of them are, you know, 1 flame, 4 flames. You know, they also featured my state fair one on their Instagram. They really liked it. It didn't, you know, get a lot of flames or anything, but they just featured it on their Instagram because they liked the activity of what was going on. But hey guys, you know, anything can be a video, and some things that you don't think, you know, will be liked or loved as much, you'll be surprised. So just wanted to share that with you. And, you know, you can create a video and be creative. You know, it just takes, you know, pulling out your phone or pulling out your camera, capturing the moment. If you got any questions, feel free to comment below, ask me some questions. I'll try to, you know, engage and make sure I can respond to those questions as well. And hey, all right, I just wanted to show you how I made $40 recording a 15-second video. And then, of course, the other one was the hashtag Big Mouth. Same thing. You know, that one wasn't even 15 seconds. That was, you know, pretty much only, I want to say, a 7-second loop. You know, and that one earned me $20. So, all right, you want to see more videos like this? Let me know. Hey guys, thank you for checking out my video. If you want to see more videos on Vigo Video or how to or any particular genre, go ahead and comment. I'll make sure I pay special attention to those comments, and hopefully I can get you that content real soon. If you haven't already, click like and subscribe, and I'll talk with you soon.